Hey everyone! So today I'm showing you how to clear those old search suggestions on Instagram for Android. If you keep seeing outdated suggestions when typing in the search bar, this will completely reset them. Let's get started. All right. First thing, open the Instagram app on your Android phone and tap on the search icon at the bottom. You'll see all your recent searches here. Now, tap See All at the top right to view your complete search history. Then, tap Clear All and confirm by tapping Clear All again. This deletes your entire search history. Okay, but here's the thing. Even after clearing your history, you might still see old suggestions when you type. That's because Instagram's algorithm remembers your past activity. So, we need to reset the suggestions completely. Tap on your profile icon at the bottom right, then tap the three horizontal lines at the top right corner. Select Content Preferences, then tap on Reset Suggested Content. Follow the prompts by tapping on Next, and Instagram will ask you to confirm. Tap on Reset Suggested Content. One final confirmation will pop up. Tap on Reset Suggested Content again. This completely wipes out all those old search suggestions based on your past activity. And that's it. When you go back to the search bar and start typing, those old suggestions should be completely gone. Instagram will now show you fresh suggestions based on only what you search for from now on. If this helped you out, let me know in the comments below.